Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to dropship on Shopify. But you might be wondering with what? We're gonna do it with CJ Dropshipping. For those who don't know, CJ Dropshipping is a dropshipping alternative for a lot of websites that lets you get items from all around the world, like a lot of items, and just directly add them to your store. So how do we do that exactly? How do I get my Shopify to, of course, work with CJ Dropshipping? That's actually pretty easy. So we're just gonna go right in, dive into the video and see how I can connect those services. For that, we need both a CJ Dropshipping account, which is really easy to open. You can use your Google account for that, or you can just use any items, like any emails, Facebook, WhatsApp. They all work really well. They're like Google services down, but you can still use email. And Shopify, you probably already know how Shopify works. You can just log in with any Google account, any email. You can create a new account. You can try their trial version before you actually just buy. And of course, we're just gonna do that. Since I already have a trial, I did a trial version because I wanted to show you guys how it works for a new account that's just made. This account is newly made for this video, so I'm gonna show you the perspective of a beginner. So when you open the account, you have your store page and everything, the store button and everything. And on the left side of the screen, as you can see, on the left side, there's two buttons that we care. One is online store, which we need to show the items that we want to sell, right? Those are important. And the other thing is the apps section. We can go to the apps section and we can search for apps, or we can click on the add apps button like this. So as you can see, we're not gonna see the app we need immediately because of course there are a lot of apps and we may not be able to see it immediately. That's why we're gonna click this button here, get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. We're gonna be clicking on that and it's gonna get us to the Shopify App Store. As you can see, there are a lot of apps here. And as you can see, I'm seeing Shopify email, Facebook and Instagram, which is Meta basically, Google and YouTube, Printify, Printful, Judge Me, and everything you might need. There's even a TikTok operator. And of course, what we need is not these. We need a CJ Dropshipping alternative. As you can see, this is just made by CJ Dropshipping itself. We have two more here. As you can see, they are page builders that can work with CJ Dropshipping. But if we have CJ Dropshipping itself, why need any other apps, right? Basically, we're gonna go on and see, as you can see, product sourcing and auto listing feature. We need that. That is so big. That's so good actually. Trending product recommendations, of course, is a big plus for this actually. And with that, you can import products on different websites as well. You can use this shipping calculation feature to actually handle your shipping as well. And as you can see, all we have to do is say, of course, install. And it's going to be installing it to our Shopify. All we have to do is say install like this. And this is going to be added to our Shopify. Now I can go on and authorize. With this, I'm going to confirm and authorize. And my account should be connected with, yes, exactly, authorization, successful. Now, here, what I have to do is, of course, I can go to my products. And I don't have any products right now, but I want to show you guys this part here. The point is, the moment I add any products here, I will be able to add them to Shopify as well with ease. I'm going to go to the left side and click on Find Products button here on the left top side. And with that, I will be able to add any products that I want. Let's just find some products that I want to use, for example. what could those products be? Oh, I'm seeing like nice cross here. This looks cute. We can take some. Yeah, like 1, 10, 10 piece, 7, another style, but still 10 piece. This is better. And of course, I can just say add to my products, as you can see. Now it says added to my products successfully. Now if I go to my product section in the products part, like this, yes, this is good. Now, of course, what I can do here is say, click on this and do a manual listing. Or if you don't want to press that too, I can just say list. And I can do a custom listing. Like this is, as you can see, this is my store here. I'm gonna like charge tax too. Product type, necklace. Vendor, I don't need to do that. And I can say list now. Wait, vendor, list it now. And oh yeah, we also need a store pricing. Yeah, we can just like, okay, yes, recommended listing price. We're just gonna add like recommended listing pricings. And then we're gonna say list it now. And then listing in progress. That means it will be added to our Shopify store shortly. And then we will be able to just like go on and just like handle it with ease. We're gonna see how that works. And of course, it may take some time, like a little time. But of course, like this doesn't like, it's been like, what, 7 minutes in this video? And we already have listed an item. Now I can just go to my products. And I can see it here immediately. It's that fast and it's that quick. I hope this video helped you guys. And if it did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.